Good day, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the OffGridEnclave. In today's video of the Body Armor Do-It-Yourself series, we will be looking mostly at soft Kevlar paddings and how to utilize them. Soft Kevlar paddings are usually used in vests that are meant to protect from handgun calibers in the civilian world. In the military world, soft Kevlar padding is used in flak vests and as a base for combat armor, on top of which armor plates will go. Most flak vests will have a SK1 rating. Most combat armor paddings will have a SK2 rating. One very easy to do yourself item with these soft Kevlar paddings is a semi-bulletproof hat. German Army flak vest neck armor soft Kevlar paddings fit perfectly well in the forehead of a bomb cap. With the added trauma protection from the bomb cap, that is about 2 centimeters, this is quite a reasonable forehead protection for backyard plinking and such. A rather important body part that often gets overlooked when talking about body armor is the legs. No need to panic and worry, up next we will be looking at shin guards. The base for this item is shin guards that are used usually for mountain biking or off-road motorbiking. They have a reasonable good trauma protection and come with a little plate pocket in the front. On the back you can see how I did the base modification. I used soft Kevlar shoulder paddings with a rating of SK1 and sewed them to the shin guards in an overlapping manner. This covers about 90% of the leg in that area. As sewing string, I used 4 lines of Kevlar strings. To replace the polycarbon plates that came with the shin guards, we will be using this 5 mm thick rolled steel. The steel plate will obviously not protect much of the leg all around, but it will protect the center of the leg from the front. In combination with the SK1 soft Kevlar padding, this should make up for a reasonable armor rating. Time to rip out our favorite angle grinder, cue the music and get some work done. Alright, that was very inspirational. Unfortunately, due to YouTube's copyright bullshit, I cannot play more than 10 seconds of that. Anyhow, we got ourselves a set of nice armor plates for our shin guards. These ones do have holes. I might need them for future projects as mounting holes. Ignore them, for now at least. As you can see, the plates do fit quite nicely in the plate pockets. I could have made them even a little bit wider, but I could have not made them much thicker as they already stretch the pocket. As last step for this item, we throw on some rust resisting paint on the steel plates. I put 2 layers of the paint to make sure it's a reasonable amount. With that we are done with the shin guards and be looking at more fancy items. This here is my ballistic skirt. I made it myself and I love it. The base for this item was an old used camouflage pants. I simply open up the legs on the side to have it fold like a skirt. As you can see on the inside I used soft Kevlar paddings that usually go in the shoulder of German flag vests. They have a ballistic rating of SK1. I sewed them quite well into the fabric of the pants and made sure that the inner sides are overlapping. This way they fold well and have a reasonable amount of protection. I had to adjust the belt line a bit and add 1 or 2 buttons on the top to make it close perfectly. Overall it is quite comfortable to wear and does not feel heavy at all. The length of the skirt is designed so it's short above the knee. At the end of the video I will be showing some bonus material of me jumping around in the garden, showing how one can still be quite mobile wearing a lot of armor. This will of course include the skirt. The next item we will be looking at is arm guards. I made those for running my pyrolysis reactor. The base for this is soft Kevlar shoulder paddings with an armor rating of SK1. I sewed them on top of these Kevlar arm sleeves. These sorts of protection sleeves are used when working with chainsaws, butcher knives or things alike. They do offer a reasonable amount of protection against fire and heat. Using 4 Kevlar lines as sewing string, I firmly connected the Kevlar paddings to the Kevlar arm sleeves. They are easy and comfortable to wear, and offer a reasonable ballistic protection for the upper side of the arm, as well as the upper side of the hand. The soft Kevlar is flexible enough to not hinder the movement. Last but not least, one of the most easy modifications that can be done with soft Kevlar paddings. Usually the compartments for these soft Kevlar paddings on the flak vests or combat armor have plenty of room. It is quite easy to just double up on the soft Kevlar paddings. Alright then, as promised earlier, here's the bonus material of me wearing a lot of body armor and showing how mobile one can still be. Thank you all for watching. I hope it gave you guys some input. As usual, there's a few disclaimers with these types of videos. There's countries that do have laws concerning body armor. Always stay within the confidence of your local law. Double check the internet or consult experts if you're not sure. Take care and stay safe, be reasonable, engage your brain. Don't be building body armor, put it on a friend, start shooting it and wonder why your friend is bleeding. Don't be stupid. Enjoy your day and make it count.